Hi, everybody. It's Diane Yetter again for the next episode of our Women to Watch in Sales Tax. And today I'm thrilled to introduce you to Joni Johnson-Powe, who is a partner in the Transaction Tax Systems Group at KPMG. Joni, welcome.
Thank you so much, Diane. I'm so happy to be here today.
Wonderful. So Joni, why don't you tell everybody what you do in that role and what the Transaction Tax Systems Group does do at KPMG?
I'm a partner in our Denver office, and I basically lead our West Coast practice for our what we call TTS, Transaction Tax Systems Group. And basically, we provide our clients with indirect tax technology solutions. So that may be implementing software, it may be helping with an RPA tool, it may be helping with Alteryx, optimization. So we really just help clients manage their end-to-end tax compliance process.
Wonderful. So is there something that you've accomplished in the sales tax field that you're most especially proud of?
I think that the thing that I'm most proud of is that, I've been able to have experience in a lot of different areas within SALT. I started out actually in Fed tax.
Okay.
Joined SALT when I joined my first Big Four. Ernst Young was my first job, and have really been able to learn and endeavor in a lot of different areas in tax. And that I took a chance on tax technology, didn't know anything about it, and to still be here, 20 years later is super exciting for me. And now it's like, the coolest practice to be in.
So when you think of talking in as a partner in a big accounting firm, I'm sure you have the opportunity to mentor others, and particularly other women. And in those discussions, what kind of advice do you give women, particularly if they want to get into tax technology?
Yeah. It has definitely been an evolution, coming back. I came back to public accounting just 9 months ago after, running my own gig for a while and, being with other firms and coming back, really, being able to mentor younger women, looking to ascend has been a very important part of me even coming back. I think it's my time to give back. And some of the things that I have discussions with some of, different women in the practice that I mentor is, one is hold true to yourself, hold true to what's important to you. For me, family was number one, which is probably drove most of my decisions in starting my own practice. I'm a mother of four. I needed flexibility at one point in time. And unfortunately, in some of the positions that I had, I didn't feel like I was getting that. So I held true to that, and now I find myself back. My kids are older, I have a couple in college and a couple of other kids still at home. But that journey has paid off at the end, and holding true to what was important to me, which was family, but I also love, I love consulting. I love helping clients, finding a way that was true to who I am and what was important to me has really helped me grow in a lot of ways. The other thing I think that is really important is, understanding that every obstacle and failure that you have is an opportunity for growth. I know those times when, you lose a project or, employees leave or, you have a challenge with the client. A lot of times we get down on ourselves, or a door closes, another door opens. And so I've learned through my career that, those failures and those obstacles help me grow into a better person and help me, really appreciate those successes that I have.
So I'm encouraged by, the younger generation that they are standing up for things that are important to them. And so I think that is great advice. And, looking for every new door when one closes, or the opportunities when you make a mistake. I've certainly had plenty of those in my career, and that is great advice. Joni, thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate it. And it's been a pleasure chatting with you.
Yeah, you as well. It's great to be here. Thank you so much.